Yeah, she patterned. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Fun Powder, Gunpowder and Freedom. It should be called Fun Powder because gunpowder is very fun. So today, I'm going to be doing something I like to call Shotgun Sunday. It's a beautiful Sunday. I think we're still in the morning. I don't think we're not at afternoon yet. So it's a beautiful Sunday morning up here at the lead dump. I decided to bring up a few of my shotguns and show you guys the difference and just kind of have some fun with some 12 gauge shotguns. Okay, so like I said, these are a few of the shotguns that I have. I didn't feel like bringing all of them because I didn't know how much time I was going to have. But just to give you a rundown real quick, I do have two AR-12 style, just the AR platforms. I have done review videos on both of them. This is the Lander Arms AR-12. Not the greatest. Check out the review. Here's a link. This is the Stevens model pump action shotgun. It's got an 18-inch barrel as opposed to an 18.5-inch and a pistol grip. This is more, so to speak, for your home defense shotgun. Next we have the other AR-12, the TR Imports Silver Eagle Tactical shotgun. If you missed that review video, you can check it out here. And right here, oh boy, it's been a while, we have the New England Firearms Partner Pump. This was my first ever shotgun. It is your typical standard hunting shotgun with interchangeable chokes. I haven't fired this thing in years, so I'm excited to get this thing loaded up and send some shells out of it. So real quick, this one is mainly for hunting. I think it has like a 22-inch barrel or something on it. So it's really long. That's why it's not really meant for home defense. Really long upswing. This is more of a home defense pump action shotgun. Shorter barrel while still being federal law compliant. Pistol grip, so it's easier to grab and hold. There is a little bit of weight to it, so the recoil isn't all that bad. And then your two AR style semi-automatics. Semi-auto, so fires every time you pull the trigger. Pump action, so you pull the trigger, cock your pump. That ejects the spent shell, loads a new shell into the firing chamber, and pull the trigger, and boom. So let's get them loaded up, test each of them out, and just have some fun on this beautiful Sunday morning. Okay, so we've added a few more firearms to our Sunday fun day here. Josh brought up a couple of his shotguns. You want to show us what you got?
That's the old J.C. Higgins with a custom flash titer on it. Who knows what this thing was used for back in the day?
What other one you got?
Oh, just that Maverick 88. Two beaten shotguns.
Those are the best kinds.
Yeah. Got some double aught buck and shooting it out of this old J.C. Higgins. Gonna see how it patterns on the steel.
Yeah, she patterned. So we have the Stevens Model 320, 5+1. Dump her out. there.
Load a couple up.
Brad's got a shotgun.
Dude, that thing's just runs. Listen to that hit. It's like.
She runs pretty good.
It's a classic.
All right, so Josh is gonna shoot his 12 gauge at 100 yards.
Double watt buck.
Oh, buck.
That's a shotgun.
I know.
From 100 yards?
What'd you say?
That's a shotgun.
I know. Yeah.
It's a double watt buck. It's lethal out to that.
Oh yeah. There it is.
Look at that spread out there.
Yeah, it's just.
All right, gonna run the New England Pardoner pump. My first gun. I was like 12 years old when I got it. We're gonna use target loads at 100 yards. Real small pellets, but a wide spread. Two plus one. That was target loads. You had it jammed. All right, everybody. So that's going to do it for what is deemed as Shotgun Sunday. You know, I had a few shotguns. Josh brought up a few. Me, Brad, Josh, and Eliott all had a lot of fun sending some shells out and blowing up some water jugs. That was really cool. And then, I mean, that's always fun. So the targets were awesome. They kind of soaked up the buckshot a lot better than I thought it was going to. They definitely need repainted though. So yeah, want to thank you guys for tuning back in to another episode of Gunpowder and Freedom. If you liked what you saw, please click the like and subscribe. Don't forget to like us on Instagram. Don't forget to check out our store on Etsy. The description for that is in the link for that is in the description. Sorry. And yeah, man, thank you guys for all the support, and look forward to this coming year. Have a good one.